Okay, everyone, it's here. I can hardly control my excitement. It's the package that I ordered. I know what you're all probably wondering. What's in the box? And what's got me so excited about it? Well, the other day, I was browsing eBay, and I came across a beautiful pair of rollerblades, and I knew then and there that I had to pick these up. So I maxed out my credit card. I think it was worth it because now I have a new pair of roller skates. I've been wanting these for a long time, and I'm excited they're finally here. And so today I'll be doing an unboxing, and also I'll be trying them on just so you can see how they look. I'm excited. I feel like I got a pretty good deal on these, and I just want to wear them and tear up the town. People will see me fly by, and they'll probably be jealous because I'll be going so fast and looking so fly. And so let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing right now. Okay, so I have my scissors, and now I'm ready to cut open this box. Here we go. Oops. Looks like I might have broken the scissors. They really make it hard to open these things. Okay, so we lost another piece of the scissors. Well, looks like I just spent all that time cutting through the top of the box, only to realize that the bottom of the box was faulty and had already started breaking open. Wow. Would you look at that boot? Amazing. Nice. Look at the spin on those wheels. So beautiful. Such a clean skate. It's got that nice finish on the brake. I don't have to worry about crashing. Easy strap release. Got the nice cushiony tongue. Really like that. Really slick design on these. The boot looks amazing. Really clean. Really fresh. There are a couple signs of wear and tear on this, but I knew what I was getting myself into, so I'm okay with it. But overall, the right skate looks amazing. Now let's take a look at the left one. And there we go. It looks just like the right one. Only no brake on this one. So this will be my fast skate. I'll probably max out around 50 miles an hour in these things. They look very fast. Again, a very clean roll on the wheels. Got the logo on the side. Nice, clean, minimalistic design. I really like these. I've got the nice black finish on them. So, strap system, same as the first one. Tongue, just as soft as the other one. So all in all, I'm really impressed with the design of these. But now here comes the part that you've all been waiting for. The on feet. Let's see how they look when I get them on. Okay, now it's time for the official try-on of the skates. The on feet. I got one strap on. I'm starting to think that they might be a little too tight on me. Oh. Okay, got the first boot on. I figured out how the strapping system works. So this one will be a lot easier to get on. Putting on the right skate, the brake skate. First strap is on. Second strap is also on. Now it's time for the third strap. There you go. These are what the rollerblades look like on feet. Well, that just about wraps up the review and unboxing and on feet of my new rollerblades. So keep watching my videos or go outside and go skate. I'm about to tear up the town. I'll see you all tomorrow for my next video. Okay.